So in this problem, find calculate current flowing through the 5 ohm resistor under steady state condition. Okay, at t is equal to 0, switch is open means at t is equal to 0 plus also switch is open, and t is equal to infinity also switch is under open condition only. But before switching action, that is called t is equal to 0 minus and t is equal to 0 minus infinity, the switch was closed. Understood? At t is equal to 0 or t is equal to 0 plus, the switch was open. So for this condition, so what is the current flowing through the resistor 5 ohm? Okay. So here under steady state condition, so what is this? T is equal to infinity is nothing but steady state now. T is equal to infinity means so steady state condition. Right? Steady state condition. Under steady state condition, so inductor act as a inductor act as a short circuit. Right? Inductor acting as a short circuit, and then circuit will become like this. At t is equal to infinity, the circuit will become like this. So this is called 10 ohm resistor, and this is called 6 ohm resistor, and switch is closed, and this is called 5 ohm resistor, and inductor acting as a short circuit. Inductor acting as a short circuit like this. 10 ohm resistor and 6 ohm resistor and 20 ohm, 20 volts. Here 5 ohms. This is called Ix of t. Am I right? This is called Ix of t. So that means under t is equal to infinity condition, this is the circuit. Inductor is short circuiting, and this is called Ix of infinity. Then what is the current flowing through the 5 ohm resistor? Okay, Ix of infinity is nothing but V by, so the voltage across this 10 ohm resistor and 6 ohm resistor is called 20 voltage source, and also the voltage across the 5 ohm resistor is also 20 ohm. So because of this t is equal to infinity, the switch is open circuited. This is called open circuited. The switch is open circuited. The switch is open circuited at t is equal to infinity. That's why. So this 10 ohm resistor and 6 ohm resistor become series, and this is and 5 ohm resistor. So like this. This is called A and B. Na? A and B terminals. Understood? Then under steady state conditions, so inductor acting as a short circuit, and then so this 5 ohm resistor and 10 ohm and 6 ohm become series, and this 5 ohm resistor is parallel. And then I is equal to V by R. So V by R, that is called X of infinity is equal to 4 amps. Okay, so here 4 amps. Understood? Then so next question, VAB at t is equal to infinity. No? VAB at t is equal to infinity. Under steady state condition, inductor acting as a short circuit. So what is the voltage across this terminal? What is the voltage here? Under steady state condition, inductor acting as a open circuit and short circuit. Okay, what is the voltage in between these two? Here A, B. So voltage across this AB terminal. Okay, this terminal. Short circuited, and the short circuit condition, voltage is equal to 0. Okay, VAB at t is equal to infinity is equal to 0. Understood? And then Ix of t for t greater than or equal to 0. You know the relation. So current flowing to the IL scalar IL of t is equal to IL of infinity plus IL of 0 minus IL of infinity into e power minus t by tau, right? For t greater than or equal to 0. Understood? From this relation, you can sorry. you will get the relation so ix of t. So here try to consider ix of t is equal to, so we'll get like this. So ix of t is equal to 4 plus 2 into e power minus 5 by k 1 time constant for t greater than or equal to 0. So you'll get this type of relation. So how means? So first find the time constant. Here time constant of the circuit at t is equal to after switching action. Okay, time constant of RL circuit is nothing but L by R. Am I right? Time constant of the RL circuit is nothing but time constant of RL circuit. Here, first we need to find the time constant. So time constant of RL circuit is called time constant of RL circuit is equal to time constant of RL circuit. This is called RL circuit. Time constant is equal to tau. It's equal to L by R. Am I right? Then what is the inductance L? Here 1 Henry. So inductance is equal to 1. And then what is the R equivalent? Inductance is equal to 1. Then what is the R equivalent? So how to find the time constant? By making voltage source as it. Okay. So how to means 10 ohm resistor, 6 ohm resistor like this. This is called 10 ohm resistor. This is called 6 ohm resistor. And this is called voltage source is short circuited. Right? And this is called 5 ohm resistor. And this is called inductor. After switching action. This is called a 10 ohm resistor and a 6 ohm resistor. So what is this? 5 ohm resistor and it's called 1 Henry. So this is short circuited. Short circuited means this is short circuited. 10 ohm resistor, 6 ohm resistor is short circuited. So there is no use of this. That means this 0 ohm resistor connected to parallel. So that's why this is invalid. Okay. Then equivalent resistance will become only resistor and inductor. So like this. Okay, that is called a 5 ohm resistor and 1 Henry. Then time constant is equal. So L by R, L is nothing but 1 and R is equal to 5. This is the time constant. Okay, substitute here time constant in this minus t by tau. Tau means 1 by 5. We get minus 5. And ix of 0 minus and ix of infinity, you know well. Am I right? So ix of t is equal to ix of infinity plus ix of 0 and ix of infinity to e power minus t by tau. Tau is equal to 1 by 5. Am I right? Then ix of infinity is equal to how much? 4. Ix of infinity is equal to 4. Am I right? 4 plus and then ix of 0. What is the x of 0 minus? So 4. X of 0 minus is equal to 4. And x of infinity, how much? X of infinity 4 amps. X of 0 plus is equal to 6 here. Just after the switching action, here x of 0 plus is nothing. Don't take x of 0 minus. Okay, x of 0 minus. Don't take x of 0 minus here. So because after t is equal to 0 plus, we are finding the t greater than or equal to 0. Okay, the expression after t is greater than or equal to 0 now. That's why don't consider t less than 0 minus condition. Okay, at t is equal to 0 conditions only will take. T is equal to 0 plus means that is called x of 0 minus x. So here that is called 6. X of 0 plus is equal to 6 and then x of infinity is equal to 4 and then e power minus 5 t and then so 4 plus 2 into e power minus 5. Okay, t greater than or equal to 0. This is the expression. Understood? So this is the expression ix of t. So is it clear? This is the expression. So this is about complete problem regarding for RL circuit, transient response of RL circuit. It's clear. 4 plus 2 into e power minus. This is the question. It's the solution of this problem. Okay. This problem. So VAB of 0 minus. VAB of 0 minus means under switch is closed condition. So it will be short circuit under steady state condition. Minus infinity, it's short circuit. That's why VAB of 0 minus is equal to 0. Okay. And then Ix of 0 minus. Under Ix of 0 minus, it is closed, it is short circuited. And then 20 divided by 5 is nothing but 4. So that is called Ix of 0 minus. Then Ix of 0 plus. Ix of 0 plus is nothing but after switching action, the switch is open. And then what is the current flowing through the inductor? There is nothing but the current flowing through the resistor. These two will become series, and then IL of 0 minus is equal to X of 0 minus. X of 0 plus. So that is called 6 amps here. IL of 0 minus is equal to IL of 0 plus. Inductor not allow the sudden changes in current. That's why before switching action, after switching action, the current flowing through the inductor is same. That's why IL of 0 minus is equal to IL of 0 plus. Okay, and that is equal to 6 amps. Here IL of 0 plus is also is equal. IL of 0 plus also is equal. So 6 amps. IL of 0 minus is equal to 6 amps, and IL of 0 plus is also 6 amps. Okay, and then VAB of 0 plus. VAB of 0 plus, the voltage across the after switching action, the inductor suddenly not only the sudden changes current, that's why it acting as open circuit with current source. So by applying KVL in this loop, you will get minus 10 volts. Okay, that means so inductor minus 10 volts means the negative sign indicates the minus 10. The negative sign indicates the inductor terminal B as positive terminal, and it acts as a source of energy. Mathematically, VBA plus 0 plus is equal to 10 volts. So it's act as a source of energy. That's why so it indicated like this. Okay, understood what is the meaning of minus. And then finally, X of t is equal to infinity. In the steady state condition, inductor is at axis short circuited, and its switch is open under steady state condition, and then current flowing through the 5 amp resistor is nothing but 20 divided by 5, so we'll get 4 amps. And VABA at t is equal to infinity means the inductor acts as short circuit. Also t under short circuit condition, what is the voltage across this? 0 volts. And then Ix of t is can find by using this relation. IL of t is equal to IL of infinity plus IL of 0 minus IL of infinity d power minus t by tau t together. Time constant is called L by R after switching action. This is the time constant after switching action. Why? Because here time constant here what is the expression of our required expression for t is greater than or equal to 0. That's why so we'll take t is equal to 0 plus condition. Okay, that means after switching action. After switching action means t is equal to 0, switch is open, and t is equal to 0 plus switch is open like this. Okay, so find the time constant like this. And 10 ohm 6 ohm resistor not valid because of its voltage source is short circuited, and then so it will become invalid, and then time constant is equal to L by R. L is nothing but 1, and LR is nothing but 1 by 5. So I will get like this. Okay, this is the question for this. And then next question. This is the question. All of you take this question. This switch is here. This is chess. Try to construct. This switch is closed in position 1. This switch is closed at position 1. Yeah. Okay. Sufficiently long time. This switch position at this position for long time. So what is the meaning of this switch? At t is equal to 0, switch is in position 1 to 2. No? Okay. The switch position is downwards direction means at t is equal to 0, This position is going downward direction. That means it is before t is equal to 0. That means t is equal to 0 minus this switch is in position 1. This is the meaning of switch. Okay. This switch S is closed in position 1 sufficiently long time and then is kept in position 2. Okay. I shouldn't figure this figure. And compute the value of VL and IL. Compute the value of VL. That is called voltage across the inductor and the current flowing through the inductor. Compute the value of L and IL. The instant of prior to the switch changing, the instant of prior to the switch changing, and the instant after the switch changes. That means at t is equal to 0 minus, what is the voltage VL of 0 minus and IL of 0 minus? At t is equal to 0 plus, what is the voltage across this inductor? VL of 0 plus and IL of 0 plus. Find also the rate of change of current through the inductor at time is equal to 0 plus. That is called IL of t divided by dt at t is equal to 0 plus. This is the question. At t is equal to 0 minus, the instant of switch prior to the switch changing, that is nothing but t is equal to 0 minus. The instant of switch just after the switch changes, that is called t is equal to 0 plus. T is equal to 0 minus. So what is the, that means this is the position, switch is position at a long time for here. Okay, switch position a long time here. Understood? Which is closed like this. Understood? Under this condition now, so what is the voltage across the inductor? VL. So this is called voltage across the inductor. No? So A, B. At t is equal to 0 minus. That means so circuit at t is equal to 0 minus infinity is also same. Okay. Circuit condition is same at t is equal to minus infinity and t is equal to 0 minus also. Am I right? Is it clear? So that's why it is acting as a switch is closed one, and inductor acting as under steady state condition. Inductor acting as short circuit. Inductor acting as a short circuit. So VAB. So this will become short circuit. This inductor will become short circuit. Okay, short circuit. Then what is the voltage across this inductor is a VL. So that is nothing but VL of 0 minus. So VL of 0 minus is equal to 0 volts. It is short circuit. And then IL of 0 minus is nothing but IAB of 0 minus. Am I right? That is equal to here 10 ohm resistor and a 10 ohm resistor. Both these two are parallel. Okay. That's why the current is dividing. So like equally, that is called 10 by 2. That is called 5 amps. IL of 0 minus is equal to 5 amps and VL of 0 minus is equal to 0 volts. So like this, you will get the voltage and current flowing to the, that is called prior to the switching action. Okay, prior to the switching action. And then after switching action, so how the inductor is up after, this is about under at t is equal to 0 minus. And then at t is equal to 0 plus, so what happened? T is equal to 0 plus, switch is in position 2. Right? So this is called 2 and 10, this is called 10 ohm, and this is called switch is in position 1, 2, 2. Okay, and this inductor does not allow the sudden changes in current. Inductor does not allow the sudden changes in current, and inductor does not allow the sudden changes in current. Okay, it will be acting as a open circuit with current source. Okay, so like this. So this is called VL of 0 plus. So A, so B, and what is the current here? Current direction downwards. That is called 5 amps. Here 10 ohm, 10 ohm. Okay, so that's why what is the current here? So what is the voltage across this 10 ohm inductor. Okay, after switching action, before switching action, both are same. So that's why IL of 0 plus also. So inductor does not allow the sudden changes in current. That's why IL of 0 minus is equal to IL of 0 plus. And then, so what is the voltage across this terminals A and B? So VAB now. So plus here plus and here minus, then plus VAB, that is nothing but VL of 0 plus VL of 0 plus plus 10 into IL of 0 plus, am I right? And 10 into IL of 0 plus is equal to 0, and then VL of 0 plus is equal minus 100 volts. Understood? So this is nothing but the voltage across the inductor and the current flowing through the inductor after t is equal to 0 plus. Understood? So voltage across the inductor is nothing but changing current, that is equal to V is equal to L into di by dt. So di by dt is equal to voltage. VL is equal to nothing but minus 100 volts. Minus 100 divided by L is nothing but rate of change of current. This is called current. Okay, t di1 of dt by dt is nothing but L VL of 0 plus divided by V is equal to L into di by dt. So this is enough today. So then we will discuss the remaining concepts.